That's the most wanted. Make pudding in the bag. Start by adding half cup of sugar in a saucepan. Stir until the sugar melts completely. As soon as it melts, add 1/4 cup of water and stir again. Add 100 grams of sour cream. Mine is warm. Mix well until thickened. This is the ideal point of the caramel. And book next door. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of milk powder, 200 grams of sour cream, 300 ml of milk. Now cover and let beating everything very well. While beating, add 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, already hydrated. After you heat, just hang up. Here I'm using plastic bags. Add the caramel, the amount is your preference. After adding, just spread out over the bag. Now, with the help of a funnel, add the pudding mixture. Then tie this bag well. And bring it to the freezer until it hardens. Your ice cream is ready, frozen pudding that looks wonderful. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love, and the best of all, you can earn extra income. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.